5 years from now, your morning routine might look completely different. Imagine waking up to an AI assistant that tailors your newsfeed, brews your perfect cup of coffee, and even anticipates your commute based on real-time traffic. Sounds amazing, right? But what if this future also means our jobs are automated, and the skills we have today become obsolete? The rapid development of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, raises these very real questions. As a parent of 2 young kids, I'm determined to find answers. How can we prepare ourselves and future generations for this exciting yet potentially disruptive era? Artificial general intelligence is a form of AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide array of tasks, just as a human would. Unlike the AI systems we have today, which excel in specific tasks but falter outside their programmed scope, AGI is expected to exhibit a broad adaptability and general intelligence akin to human cognition. The rapid evolution of AI has been nothing short of staggering. From beating grandmasters at chess to diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy, AI has shown its mettle. But AGI, with its human-like capabilities, is the real game-changer on the horizon. The potential for AGI to revolutionize society is a topic of heated debate, with experts suggesting we could be on the cusp of this technological breakthrough within the next 5 years. The arrival of AGI will usher in an era of unprecedented possibilities and challenges. It will redefine the way we live, work, and interact with technology. It will automate repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on creative and strategic endeavors. It will also necessitate a shift in our skill sets as we adapt to work alongside these intelligent machines. The stage is set for the AGI era, a time of astonishing possibilities and thrilling challenges. As we stand on the brink of this transformative period, the question is not if AGI will arrive, but when. And when it does, it promises to change everything, forever. I appreciate it if you could subscribe and like the video before we continue. As we step into the AGI era, the landscape of work and life as we know it is set to change. With the advent of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, we are looking at a future where many repetitive tasks across various industries could be automated. This could range from data entry to more complex tasks, such as financial forecasting or even medical diagnosis. It's a shift that could potentially displace certain jobs, leading to a reshuffling of the labor market. But let's not jump to conclusions. While it's true that automation might displace certain jobs, it's essential to remember that every industrial revolution in history has led to the creation of new jobs that we couldn't have imagined before. The emergence of AGI is no different. It's not just about job loss, it's about transformation. The jobs of the future might look different from the ones we know today, but they will still require the quintessential human touch. This brings us to the skills gap. As certain jobs become automated, there will be a demand for new skills. We might see a rise in jobs that require managing AI systems, developing ethical frameworks for AI, or working in fields like AI art or AI-powered healthcare. The key to thriving in this new landscape is adaptability. It's about learning to work with AGI, to leverage its capabilities to drive innovation and growth. The AGI era will also bring about a wave of new opportunities. As AGI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, we'll see the rise of new industries, services, and professions. These could range from AGI trainers who teach these systems to understand and interact with the world, to AGI ethicists who ensure that these artificial intelligences operate within ethical boundaries. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, it's clear that our world will change. But with change comes opportunity, and by embracing this change and adapting to it, we can ensure that we thrive in the AGI era. The future is not about displacement but about transformation, and adaptability is key. Now, the skills needed to thrive in the AGI era will vary depending on our age. So let's break it down and see how we can prepare ourselves and future generations for this exciting future. First, let's look at the foundational skills crucial for toddlers. In the AGI era, the foundation of learning begins in the very early years. As we prepare for a future where artificial general intelligence is a reality, it's crucial that we equip our youngest generation with the skills they'll need to thrive. And it all starts with the toddlers. In these formative years, children are like sponges, soaking up knowledge and experiences that will shape their understanding of the world. This is the ideal time to foster critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. These skills, developed through play and exploration, will form a solid foundation for a life of learning and adaptability, essential in an age where AI will be an integral part of our lives. For toddlers in the AGI era, the focus should be on building foundational skills that will serve them well as they grow and adapt to a world with intelligent machines. Here are some key areas: critical thinking and problem solving. Encourage open-ended play with toys that allow exploration and experimentation. Ask open-ended questions like, "What would happen if?" to spark curiosity and independent thinking. Creativity and imagination. Provide opportunities for creative expression through arts and crafts, storytelling, and imaginative play. Let them explore different materials and approaches to problem solving. Communication and social skills. Engage in frequent interactive play and conversation. Read books together and encourage them to express themselves verbally and non-verbally. Curiosity and love of learning. Foster a stimulating environment where exploration is encouraged. Take them on nature walks, visit museums, and expose them to diverse experiences. While toddlers won't be directly coding robots or analyzing data, these foundational skills will be crucial for future success in the AGI era. They will form the base for complex thinking, adaptability, and lifelong learning, all essential for thriving alongside intelligent machines. Encouraging curiosity is key. When a child asks why, that's not just a question, it's an opportunity to ignite their imagination, to stimulate their intellect, to instill a love for learning that will serve them well in the AGI era and beyond. But what is the role of parents in this journey? Well, it's pivotal. Parents can provide a stimulating environment full of open-ended toys and opportunities for independent learning. These experiences can help children develop strong social and emotional intelligence, skills that are just as vital as intellectual abilities. Emotional intelligence helps children understand and manage their own emotions and those of others. It fosters empathy, resilience, and a sense of self-worth, all of which are critical in navigating the complex world of the future. And social intelligence? It's about learning to communicate, collaborate, and empathize with others, skills that AI can't replicate. So, as parents, let's foster an environment of curiosity and creativity for our toddlers. Let's provide them with the tools they need to explore, to question, to learn. Let's help them develop strong emotional and social intelligence through play and interactions, because these are the skills that will prepare them for a future alongside AGI. Curiosity, creativity, and emotional intelligence, the building blocks for thriving in the AGI era. The teenage years are a time of exploration and discovery, a time to expand skill sets. These formative years act as a launchpad, shaping the trajectory of young minds, especially in the upcoming era of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, collectively known as STEM, are invaluable fields to delve into during this time. They provide a solid foundation for critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, skills that will hold their ground in the AGI era. Imagine the thrill of solving a complex mathematical problem, the joy of creating a computer program, or the satisfaction of understanding the mechanics of the universe. This isn't just about academic excellence. It's about nurturing a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities for innovation. Parents, you play a significant role in this journey. Remember, you are not just parents but also partners in your teenagers' exploration of the world. Help them identify their strengths, their passions. Guide them towards fields that kindle their curiosity, that make their eyes light up with excitement. Encourage them to venture into unknown territories, to question, to experiment, to fail, and to learn from it. This is how we foster a growth mindset, a mindset that embraces change, that values lifelong learning. But let's not forget, this journey is not just about developing cognitive skills. Emotional intelligence, empathy, resilience, and adaptability are equally important. These are the skills that make us human, that differentiate us from machines, skills that will continue to be of paramount importance in the AGI era. In the AGI era, the thirst for knowledge and the courage to innovate are the wings that will let the young minds soar. The AGI era calls on young adults to build upon their existing skills and adapt to the changing landscape. In this brave new world, the role of young adults, those between 19 and 30, takes on an entirely new dimension. This is the age of life when we traditionally step into the professional world, bringing our education, ideas, and energy to the table. But in the AGI era, the table itself is changing. The landscape is dynamic, and to stay relevant, we must be equally dynamic. The key to thriving in this era lies in lifelong learning and adaptability. Lifelong learning is not about accumulating degrees or qualifications. It's about embracing a mindset that views every experience as a learning opportunity. It's about curiosity, about asking questions, about seeking knowledge. In the AGI era, learning becomes a continuous journey, an endless exploration. Adaptability complements lifelong learning. As AGI changes the professional landscape, the ability to adjust, to shift gears, to adapt becomes critical. It's about being open to change, about being flexible, about being resilient. It's about learning new tools, new technologies, new ways of thinking and working. But how do we adapt? How do we learn? The answer lies in building niche skills that complement AI. Consider developing skills in areas like data analysis, user experience design, or human-computer interaction. These are the skills that will allow us to work alongside AGI, to harness its potential, to drive innovation and change. So as young adults, our role in the AGI era is not just to learn and adapt, but to lead. We are the ones who will shape this new world, who will determine how we coexist with AGI, who will define the future. In a world where AGI is the co-worker, the young adults are the visionaries and the game changers. By embracing lifelong learning, adaptability, and niche skills, we can not only navigate the AGI era, but thrive in it. We can turn challenges into opportunities, uncertainty into innovation, and change into progress. The AGI era is not just for the young, it's a call for evolution, a call that resonates with the experienced. Just as the world around us evolves, so too must we adapt, especially in the middle age group. This age bracket, which I also fall into, spanning from 31 to 50, is a pivotal stage of life. It's a time when careers are established and expertise in a certain field has been honed. However, the rise of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, brings a new dynamic into play. In the AGI era, the concept of upskilling and reskilling becomes paramount. Upskilling refers to enhancing your existing skills, while reskilling is about acquiring new skills for a different role. This is where adaptability, communication, and leadership come into the picture. These skills will enable you to navigate the changing work environments brought about by AGI. Adaptability is all about being flexible and open to change. It's about being ready to learn new technologies, methodologies, and even new ways of thinking. It's about the willingness to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the new. Communication, on the other hand, is a skill that will always be in demand. In the AGI era, the ability to communicate effectively will be critical. This includes not only speaking and writing clearly, but also listening and understanding others' perspectives. It's about being able to convey complex ideas in a simple, understandable manner. Leadership skills are also crucial. Even as AGI takes over certain tasks, human leadership will remain irreplaceable. The ability to inspire, motivate, and guide others, to make strategic decisions, and to navigate through challenges, these are skills that AGI cannot replicate. So, if you're in the middle age group, remember, the AGI era is not a threat, but an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to adapt. It's about leveraging your experience and combining it with new skills to thrive in the changing landscape. In the AGI era, experience matters, and when combined with adaptability, it becomes the guide to navigate the uncharted territories. In the AGI era, there's no age limit to learning and adapting. As we navigate the future, the importance of maintaining cognitive skills for senior citizens can't be overstated. Engaging in lifelong learning activities keeps the mind sharp, encouraging mental agility and fostering creativity. Here's how to break it down. Maintaining cognitive skills. Encourage lifelong learning activities that keep the mind sharp. This could involve puzzles, brain teasers, online courses, or even learning a new language. Staying mentally active can help senior citizens adapt to new technologies and navigate an evolving world alongside AI. Social and emotional intelligence. While AI may excel at data analysis, it can't replicate human connection. Encourage activities that strengthen social bonds and emotional intelligence. This could involve spending time with loved ones, volunteering in the community, or joining clubs and activities that foster social interaction. Strong social connections can help senior citizens feel supported and engaged in a world that might seem increasingly reliant on technology. Remember, the goal isn't to turn senior citizens into tech experts. It's about equipping them with the tools they need to stay mentally sharp, maintain social connections, and thrive in a future with intelligent machines. Additionally, many senior citizens already possess valuable skills and experience. AGI could create opportunities to leverage this expertise in new ways. The AGI era also emphasizes the importance of social and emotional intelligence. As we grow older, our social connections and emotional well-being play a crucial role in our overall health. Developing social and emotional intelligence is not only about understanding and managing our own emotions, but also about understanding and responding to the emotions of others. This is an important aspect of staying connected with family, friends, and communities. Furthermore, it fosters a sense of independence and well-being, crucial elements for thriving in the future. Moreover, learning new technology isn't just for the young. In fact, senior citizens have a wealth of life experience and wisdom that can enrich their understanding of the world, including technology. It's never too late to learn about AGI, how it works, and how it could potentially impact our lives. Embracing this new era doesn't mean letting go of the past, but rather integrating the past with the present and future, creating a unique blend of wisdom and innovation. In conclusion, the AGI era brings with it a wealth of opportunities for senior citizens to continue learning, growing, and contributing to society. It's a time of profound change, but also a time of great potential. With the right mindset and a commitment to lifelong learning, senior citizens can not only adapt to the AGI era, but also thrive in it. Because in the AGI era, every age is the age of possibility, the age of growth. As we stand at the threshold of the AGI era, it's time to reimagine the future of work. Picture a world where artificial intelligence does more than just obey. It learns, adapts, and collaborates with us, revolutionizing the way we live and work. This isn't a far-fetched dream, it's the reality that AGI, or artificial general intelligence, promises to bring. The key to this future lies in collaboration. Imagine your workday not with a machine replacing you but working in harmony with you. AGI will take over repetitive tasks, those that require number crunching, pattern recognition, or data sorting. This allows us to focus on what humans excel at: the creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of work. It's about harnessing the strengths of both AGI and human intelligence, creating a synergy that enhances productivity and innovation. But what does this mean for job opportunities? Well, as certain roles become automated, new ones will undoubtedly emerge. These roles might involve managing AGI systems, ensuring they function optimally, and align with our objectives. Or perhaps they'll be about developing ethical frameworks for AGI, ensuring these advanced systems operate responsibly and fairly. We might also see the rise of completely new fields. Consider AI art, where AGI helps create stunning masterpieces, or AI-powered healthcare, where AGI aids in diagnosis and treatment, revolutionizing patient care. The possibilities are vast and exciting. In the AGI era, the future of work is not about humans versus machines, but humans with machines, a synergy that promises a future of endless potential.